one lab activity, that is to separate the magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Before starting this activity, you should know that what are magnetic and what are non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are those which are attracted by magnets, and non-magnetic materials are those which are not attracted by magnets. Now let us start this activity. For doing this activity, I have taken first, these are the two types of magnets. Okay, this is a bar magnet and this is known as a horseshoe magnet. Next, I have taken some pieces of paper. These are the pieces of paper, as you can see. These are the pieces of paper. And next I have taken some iron pins. Here you can see these are the iron pins. Now first of all, what I will do? First I will take some iron pins. I will take some iron pins and mix with the pieces of paper like this. I have taken some iron pins and I have mixed with the pieces of paper. So now I have mixed the pieces of paper with iron pins. Now I will take one magnet. First I am taking this bar magnet and I will bring this bar magnet near this mixture of pieces of paper and iron pins and let us see what happens. So I am bringing this magnet here. Now you can see, students, wow, it is looking so lovely. See, the iron pins got attracted towards this bar magnet. Okay, now I will slowly separate these iron pins here. I will slowly separate these iron pins here. So we saw that only this iron pins, they are getting stuck with this bar magnet and not the pieces of paper. So now I have separated these pins. Now I will keep this magnet. Next I will take this horseshoe magnet and let us see next what happens. Next again I am bringing this magnet here. See, you can again see the iron pins getting stuck to this horseshoe magnet. So I will now separate this iron pins. Some pins are remaining here in the mixture. So I will slowly separate those pins. Now students, you can see what is remaining here. Only the pieces of paper and the iron pins which I previously mixed with the pieces of paper. I have separated all the iron pins here. Okay, so we can see that how easily we separated these iron pins from the pieces of paper. So what we concluded from this activity, that these iron pins are the what? Yes, magnetic substances, because these iron pins got attracted by these magnets. But these pieces of paper did not get attracted by these magnets. So these pieces of paper are the non-magnetic substances or materials. So this is how we can separate the magnetic materials, that is this iron pins, from these non-magnetic materials, that is the pieces of paper. So I hope students this activity is very much clear to you. Thank you.